The seventh song is how you'll spend 14 February Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to 2022 sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. And here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. Here you will also find many other viral stickers like this one, for example. This is super viral, and some links from our YouTube videos. And there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube video, YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me show you how you can do the story, and then I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. I will go with this photo. You can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and now we have to choose our song. So go to the sticker from the top of the screen and then go to music and choose the seventh song. For me it's this one. If you tap on it, then it will change into lyrics, some different styles, but I will leave it like this. Click on the done icon from the right top corner. You can make it smaller and place it where you want. So after that, you just have to share your story with your friends. So guys, like I said, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, on my Instagram page, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to a YouTube video. It only has 2 or 3 minutes, I think. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel, and also you can join our membership now if you want to get some perks, if you want to talk in private with us to help you solve your problems with apps and everything you like. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.